It's June 28, 2024 at pupunta kami ngayon sa Yorkshire, UK. So ito, papunta na kami, we're traveling. Sobrang ganda lang mag-sightseeing dito sa UK kasi very different feel siya as compared to USA and Canada. We're here at
Yorkshire.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Super gloomy today. I think the weather is around 18 degrees. 17 degrees Celsius. We're going to So, nandito na kami sa entrance ng Walled City of Yorkshire. Ito yung bumungad sa amin. Sobrang ganda. Para siyang Intramuros feels, di ba?
This mock bar has also been used as a temporary prison and a police house. There are two of its medieval toilets and guard rooms. Oh, nice!
Ayan, pagpasok pa lang para kaming na-transport to a different location. Hi! Dahil bumiyahe kami ng almost 2 hours from Birmingham to Yorkshire, ang first business namin ay mag-lunch. So, Ambiente, it is a Spanish restaurant dito sa Walled City. So, libre to ni Ate Rosén and Ate Valerie because nung time na to is magmo-move na sila sa California. So, somehow parang ito yung libre nila because they have a new blessing. In Spanish restaurant kasi, nagpunta sila nung Spain before nung UK trip. So, gusto nilang ipatikim yung mga Spanish delicacies na natikman nila dun sa Spain. Ayan yung food namin. Grabe, diba? Sobrang sarap. Si Papa, pusit kagad ang tinira. Ayan si Mama. And the rest of the family.
Papa, dito. Enjoy.
Beef! Wow!
It's a flat iron steak.
Ulang.
Tea sets.
So here we are at York City Center. So if you fancy drinking tea or coffee, here at the famous Minster Cathedral in Yorkshire. It's lovely. Lovely. I think later we're gonna have this one. That's York Minster, sitting at the York City Center. For earlier, I just showed you the that's the back, and this is the side of the cathedral or the minster. Now I'm gonna walk to the front. Okay, I'm gonna show you the front. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. Look, it's wonderful. It just feels magical, this place. Yeah, that's it. Ganda, no?
Ano dito?
Ay,
Malamig?
ang ganda. Sobrang lamig. Ang ganda dito.
Mga luma yung mga simbahan.
Luma. Makaluma. Hi guys!
Hi guys, so this is Raven, and you are watching Hooper's Vlog. Hi, so let me show you something. I think I misled you. That is not the front. This is the front. That's it. York Minster. Ang ganda. Wow. Kim, parang ikaw oh.
Kunin niyo na nga may beef pa.
Dapat dito tayo kumain.
Looks yummy.
Oo, kasi local.
Grabe, ayan o, ayan o, ayan o. Be kind, be kind. Oh, restaurant.
Shembos.
Harry Potter.
Wow, Bert.
I need to park my broom.
Park your broom.
Ito, Death Eaters. Nagini. Herbology. History of magic. Chris Riddle.
Archie said, "Can you go to Harry Potter school?" No.
Dumbledore's wand.
So this would be. I think we'll get this one and then the Paris one, yeah.
We'll get this chocolate frog.
Thank you.
I've got the receipt for you.
Thank you.
Next stop naman ay merienda time. So this time, si Archie naman ang nanlibre sa amin because meron siyang new work dito sa Canada at ito yung time na nakahanap agad siya ng work. Congrats, Archie! Let's eat!
Green tea and black tea.
Yorkshire? Is it like the teapot?
Work visa ba yun?
Drink or
Yung trabaho mismo. Ay, yung trabaho mismo pa rin yung hintay.
Ang gawa na sa pinto na sa labas.
Wow, thank you, Archie.
Thank you. Thank you sa pagsita. Amen. Yan gusto ko.
Kaya mo, ma'am?
Diba guys, very Intramuros, Manila lang ang peg. Bilang mapuwan ako dati, so alam na alam ko ang Intramuros. Ayan si Archie, PLM Mayor yan. So alam niya rin ang feels ng Intramuros. Talagang Intramuros feels siya all over.
We have Intramuros, and then I've experienced Quebec. So this is my third wall. Ayun o, dyan yung nagdat ni... Ay, nakagat. Ayun. Buka. Pwede? Ano yan? Di ba ganyan?
Tihagdan yun eh, parang Thursday. Hi!
Mama prepared chop suey together with Papa, and then caldereta. Thank you po. Thank you pa.
Thank you rin.
Sobrang yummy, right?
Super yummy. Yes,
Sarap.
Kaldereta ni Mama Gat.
Super yummy.
Super loves it.
Archie, reaction.
Yes.
Huli, Archie. We're going to have a pride photo shoot for all of us. We have temporary stickers. So cute. Show me yours. Putting her pride tattoo. Let's see later. Be authentic. Be proud. Be you!
Naglalagay tayo.
May ganyan ko nito sa mukha ko.
Saan?
Itong star, ito.
Maganda na yung picture tayo lahat nakaganon mo.
Teka lang.
Nakaikot.
Tama. Nasaan yung sa'yo?
Ano ito? Sa mukha ko.
Sa mukha mo ilalagay.
Paano yung natanggal yung plastic? Pwede pa ba yun?
Yung paper ganito.
Ano po gusto niyo sa lalagay ka sa inner arm, magpipicture tayo.
Yung maalat. Ako yung butcher.
Happy Pride!
Happy Pride!
Show it.
Yay!
Thanks for the coffee. Welcome. Happy Pride.
Tapos na sila tayo maaga ng
flight day, going back to you.
Hi, morning. So it's 6 o'clock, 6:20. So we're gonna go back to the US now. Okay, 2 weeks in the UK though. So sad. Like sorry.
Next week. At least we're expecting.
Yeah.
Specific.
And then good luck with your move.
Alamig. It's okay. Archie.
Suppose. Hi.
Hi.
Flight going back to US for them.
Ka, 10. Pag ihi ka, 5. Di, ang ginagawa ko, saan kayo? Atay po. Balik 15. Bakit? Ihi ka rin eh.
Bastos.
Masaya ako talaga. Masaya ako nga sa buhay ko.
Kasama mo naman si Bal. Kayong dalawa.
Thank you.
Well,
Okay lang. Pag-live mo kayo marami.
Sama-sama tayo.
Salamat sa malaman na tulis. Next year.
Archie. Thank you kay Rupert.
At pagkubuhan.
Text ka lang, alam mo yun.
Masaya pa. Kasama niya na yung mga
Masaya ako nakapunta kami sa wedding mo. Tsaka successful wedding mo. Sa afternoon tea, no? Masaya ako. Дуже excited ako. Thank you for this trip. Nag-enjoy kaming lahat. And nag-visit namin yung isa't isa. But we're thankful and very grateful kay Lord na meron kaming means para magkita-kita kahit na malayo kami. And no matter how short or long yung pagkikita namin, we're always gonna miss each other kasi talagang family. And then, ganun namin kalam yung isa't isa. Take or parang get our strength from each other. And I love you all.
Thank you sa lahat.
Love you.
Ingat-ingat, safe travel.
All the love.
Thank you.
Love you.
I'll see you next year.
Bye. Bye.
Iyak ulit.
Bye.